Have you heard about Samsung HVAC's Preferred Dealer Program? If not, you're missing out. Signing up is easy. Step 1, register through your distributor to get into the program. Step 2, register every Samsung HVAC system you install. See? Nothing to it. You get points for every system you register, which you can do through the mobile app, dealer link, or SamsungHVAC.com. Purchase reward points are redeemable for over 6,000 prizes, like TVs, refrigerators, and even ATVs. You can also earn branding points that get you Samsung HVAC branded items like golf bags, polo shirts, and banners for your business. 4! The Preferred Dealer Program offers a lot of other great benefits too, like website development and hosting, VIP technical support, consumer financing, extended warranty options, convenient training options, and much more. Sorry. Becoming a preferred dealer doesn't cost a thing. I mean zero, nothing, nada. It's free, okay? Contact your distributor today to sign up and start earning yourself some rewards, because you deserve it. What are you waiting for?